Welcome to the Woyu channel. Today, let's introduce how graphics cards are used for mining. This is a graphics card. This is today's highlight, the Bitcoin graphics card miner. Its design is exactly the same as a graphics card, but it actually has a hash rate of 7 terahashes. Power consumption only requires 250 watts. It is compatible with all 8-pin power interfaces. After taking the machine out, its appearance features an Ethernet port plus a Wi-Fi booster port, 2 fans, and looks exactly like a graphics card. There's a display screen, an 8-pin power interface, and finally, there's a PCIe slot here. This slot is probably useless. It's just for decoration or for securing it inside the chassis. If your spare power supply can provide over 250 watts, it can reach a maximum hash rate of 7 terahashes. Magic Miner is a sub-brand under Lucky Miner. They have been making solo miners, and this model is no exception. They designed this miner in the most original form. Think about it, wasn't Bitcoin initially mined with GPUs and CPUs? So, it actually carries a nostalgic element. Since Ethereum changed its algorithm, the option of GPU mining seems to have gradually faded from public view. So, for veteran miners who miss GPU mining, consider this BTC machine. It's the world's first Bitcoin miner designed to look like a graphics card. It can mine PPS Plus or Solo. After all, at full capacity, it has 7 terahashes. When mining normally, it still generates some returns. Plus, using it as a desktop decoration at home looks quite nice. Let's power it on and see what it's really like. The operation of this Bitcoin graphics card miner is very simple. Just plug it into the computer's 8-pin port for power. The PCIe slot below is actually just decorative. Now, the machine is running. Since its core likely uses the same technology as the previous Bitax series, they are very similar. On the main screen, we can see Bitcoin information displayed, as well as hash rate, temperature, and fan speed. It also shows how much power is being used. My motherboard probably supplies around 130 watts, so it can't reach the full 250 watts on this board. We'll check the back end later to see if it can reach 7 terahashes, but if it shows a power consumption of 137 watts, it can probably only reach around 4-5 terahashes. If you have spare power after accounting for your work graphics card, you could connect the extra power to this Bitcoin graphics card. While working daily, you can also keep mining Bitcoin without taking up extra space. I think this is a great option, and it's very quiet, with decent cooling performance. We tested its noise level, which is around 54 decibels, about the noise of an ordinary computer running. Very quiet and perfect for home use. If you actually install it inside your computer, it looks exactly like a graphics card, fitting in seamlessly. Among all the miners I've seen, this is quite an interesting design, a very creative one. Its scrolling screen shows the real-time Bitcoin price. This is the live Bitcoin price, as well as the actual performance of your miner. Currently around 144 watts, achieving about 7 terahashes. Let's take a look. Now reaching around 7 terahashes. The screen shows power consumption at about 144 watts, while the meter here shows 212 watts. Actually, that's about right, since the computer motherboard fans CPU adds up to around 60-70 watts. The data on the screen is relatively accurate. So, the conclusion is, to achieve 7 terahashes, it requires around 144 watts. Let's summarize this little toy. First, its hash rate can reach 7-8 terahashes without issues. Its power efficiency ratio is around 20 JT, close to the WhatsMiner M60. In terms of noise, it's also very suitable for use in an office or your home computer room. I think its aesthetic appeal is its biggest selling point. After Fluminer released the speaker miner last time, now Magic Miner has introduced this graphics card miner. I wonder what kind of even more novel miner the next manufacturer will bring for viewers to see. Let's look forward to it. If you're interested in this machine or other miners, feel free to join our WoW group or leave a comment below our channel. See you next time.